He said, man, I was just trying to ride. Hey, man. Y'all see, we about to slide, man, on these joints. I'm on a V-Rod today. Y'all know I ain't never rode a V-Rod. This thing is pretty dope. I ain't gonna even hold you. Pretty dope of a bike. And my dog over here sliding. Got that joint right here ready to go. Can't wait, man. Sliding now. Yeah, no, for sure. For sure that. Y'all see what's going on, my dog? Yes, sir. My dog over there going out. definitely got some good footage, man.
That was awesome, man.
Y'all see it here first, man. We just rode through Connecticut. My ears is freaking freezing right now, dog. Y'all know it's like a no helmet law out here, so you don't gotta wear helmets, man. That was the first time I ain't never rode a helmet while riding, and literally my face is still like frozen, like just stiff. I can barely even talk right now.
How did the rain feel hitting your face?
No, I was like, dang, is them rocks? I was like, oh, it's raining. I gotta hurry up and get back, man. Hey, that's when I put the GPS in myself. I'm like, hey, man, I'm gonna have to cut this trip short. Cut this trip short, man. But it was a fun ride. I like it though. That was fun.
Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah, no, thank you, man. That was a real fun ride, dog.
We got to be able to ride. I'm glad you blessed my V-Ride.
Yeah. Nah, this thing is pretty nice, man. I didn't think I was gonna like the V-Ride like that, but I actually like it, man. I actually like it a lot. It is really fun, man. That was different. How you like the Road King?
Great, man. So comfortable. I gotta get used to it though. I keep finding myself not using the background.
Oh yeah, because you don't know it's there. Yeah. Exactly, yeah.
And when you gas it, you use it though.
Yeah, no, for sure. It'll pull you back, yeah. That's dope, man. Well, I'm glad you like it. Glad we got a chance to ride, man. Y'all see it here first. My dog got that thing shining, looking good. Just put it on these Connecticut streets, man. We all out here, though. I'm digging it.
That's it, man. That's it.
Yes, sir, man. One last time for the people, man. Let them know who to subscribe to, man.
Comment and subscribe. Everything's regular.
Yes,
go copy
sir.
that wallet.
Hey, man, go get it, man. Y'all could be next, man. Alrighty, guys, man. We just finished up dropping that bike off to my dog Stan, man. That was a freaking fun ride. I can't even hold you. That was a freaking fun ride. Like riding somewhere different than where we normally ride every day. It's just fun, dog. That freaking, it was like a big old mountain. Like it was similar to what I ride in Vegas, but more so just more green. So we was through mountains and lakes and all type of stuff, man. It was dope, man. What y'all think about that ride? Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We're pretty much done right now. I want to say we got about a little less than 90 wallets available, man, for our next giveaway, man. So if you guys haven't entered that already, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy one of those, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. As soon as we get sold out, the list will be going up on my community page, so keep a lookout over there. And if you enter, man, good luck. I appreciate your support. It could be you I could be pulling up to next, man. So make sure you enter today. But what did y'all think about the video, man? That was a freaking fun video. We didn't get that same type of effect with this Detroit drop off, and I'm upset about it. But, you know, this kind of made up for it with the ride and everything that went along with it, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. My flight don't leave until tomorrow, and it's still like 1 o'clock here, man. So I know if I fly out today and go into Detroit, it's a great chance that I'm going to be on standby. And I really don't want to be on standby, man. So I think I'm going to head back to the city right now, chill with my family that's out here in New York for the rest of the day, and then leave first thing in the morning because we got to come all the way back up past Bro House to go to the airport out here in Connecticut, man. That JFK or LaGuardia is going to be crazy getting through. So I guess we'll be driving like a good 2 hours tomorrow morning to get back to the airport in time, man. So no big deal. We on the East Coast right now. Otherwise, I would have been like, nah, I'm about to leave. But since we on the East Coast, man, you got to soak it up, man. I don't never get to go to New York. We don't got New York over there on my side. So definitely about to soak this up while I'm here, man. So roll with me for a little bit. Alrighty, guys. I said forget it, man. I ended up heading to New York, seen that traffic, 2 exits after I left, and turned around and went back to Connecticut Airport, man. And we ended up hopping on a flight early. So we out of here. Alrighty, guys, we have made it back to Las Vegas, man. I was supposed to be still in New York right now, supposed to be leaving out tomorrow. I'm like, man, like I told you, I hopped on that freeway thinking I was going to NY, hopped in that traffic. I was like, oh no. Got to the very next exit and turned around, ended up getting a flight out early. Now we back and it's time to get to work, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the video. I'll catch y'all in a second.